Hello, my name is Amy Anderson and I am in Dr. Metcalf's Curriculum Design Theory class. Today I will be discussing the process model as it applies to curriculum design. At the most basic level, curriculum development involves improving teaching strategies and course material with the ultimate goal of producing better educational outcomes, according to Lewis, Price, and Associates. One can approach teaching in many different ways. Two important models when designing curriculum are the product model and the process model. The process model focuses on the complete learning experience. The learning process includes active learning, discussions, and individual student response. This approach can also be referred to as a mastery-based approach, as learning is not evaluated with just one test or exam at one point in time. The main focus of learning is that it is experiential. Students who experience things will be more engaged and more likely to remember. As Benjamin Franklin once said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." This is so true in education. Educators know that they can talk and talk and talk, and students will act like they have never heard that information before. However, when you get a student involved and exciting, learning happens. Within the organization that I work for at North Valley Academy Charter School, the process model can apply nearly everywhere. With students in 7th through 12th grades, mastery-based learning is already in place. Students have the chance to continue to learn and have more than one opportunity to prove their knowledge. However, the curriculum designers and administrator could look at incorporating more project and experiential learning into the curriculum. This is also true for the elementary grades as well. I would love to see more active learning taking place in classrooms. Students don't remember the worksheets they completed last year, but they do remember the projects that made learning real and fun. The process model could also apply to teachers in staff meetings or professional development. The learning theories that would fit well within the process model are cognitivism, which deals with learning how to learn, and the humanist theory, which deals with self-directed learning. This has been a very brief overview of the process model. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.